Hey everyone, we are doing a mid-winter cleaning of this poor Ford F-450. Had her on a trip, so it got a lot of road salt up from all the salt that's been put down lately. So we're gonna clean her up. I'm too cheap to take it down to a car wash, and with a dually, she's not gonna go through a regular car wash unless it's a Tommy's with the conveyor belt system. So we're above 32 degrees. It's about 33, 34, and getting better today. We are gonna wash it up here today and get some of this grime off of it. Stand by, I'll take you along for the ride, show you the transformation. All right, we're using a Honda 160 GCV is what I have for the pressure washer. All right, we're gonna put this thing on. Coming off real nice, folks. We are going all out. We took our mat. We're getting the bed. All the stuff that's underneath the mat. This mat, by the way, folks, I highly recommend it. We did the spray-in bed liner on this 450, but I also got a mat to protect it as well. So here is the unwashed side currently. And if we go over to I just did a rinse. We haven't even done soap yet. Here's our soaping, or our rinse side. So we rinsed just with water in the pressure washer. Again, I have not done soap yet. So that's next. But we just do it one side at a time. Watch out, bud. All right, a little tip of the trick of the trade that I do is I fill up hot water first, leave a little bit of room, you can see, and then I use the Mr. Pink here by Chemical Guys. We pour it right in here, and it helps it, I think, foam better. So I used to do it where I put the soap in first and then the water, but it makes it a little bit harder. So I actually run the water in first, and then I put the soap in, a little liberally. There we go. Get to order more of that in here soon. But yeah, and then we'll hook this up to our pressure washer and foam spray. Okay, came out really nice with the foam cannon. I did not put a microfiber sponge on it. This is just a rinse, and then hit it with a foam cannon. Let it sit for about 5-10 minutes, and then hit it again with the pressure washer with fresh water and rinse it off. We're gonna see how that holds up. I don't really want to put the microfiber on it just yet. I know it's gonna be getting dirty again here with the winter time. So let's see how this holds up, see how it dries off, and the final result. But I think it came out pretty good so far. Okay, I had to do the microfiber sponge. It was not drying right, and it was still coming up really dirty. This is much better with the microfiber. I did a bucket of that Mr. Pink, heavily soaped it, and then I did the one side, and I just did this side, and just hit every panel here, hit it really nice, and this should dry much better. So again, it wasn't drying right with just the foam cannon, so we had to get the actual microfiber on it. Put the time into it. I want to make sure it looks good. So let's get it dried off and see what it looks like fully dried. I'm going to use my my leaf vacuum or leaf blower works real good on it. All right, final results, folks. This is with the microfiber sponge, and I just used my leaf blower, backpack blower. She came out really nice. No wax on this, no wax. This is just the chemical guys, which I've done in the past before. I'm just doing another one. But you see the difference. I did it when I did the other one with drying it without just the foam cannon. There's no match. There's no comparison. So really, really nice. And again, this isn't even waxed. This is just with the soap and the microfiber. So we're all cleaned up, folks. Very good. It came out nice. All right, next we're doing Elizabeth's van. Got to get this thing knocked out. Pretty dirty, so we're going to knock this one out next. So sorry for the blabbering of my little guy. He talks a mile a minute. So, all right, let's get this done. Thank you all so much for watching Iron Nation Garage. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. We ended up washing the van. Another one of my buddies came over with his Dodge pickup truck. We did that one, and we finished up the 450 today, which looks beautiful. It's really dried up now, nice. So thanks for staying tuned. We'll put another one out here soon. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Have a great day. Take care.